Hello, Mr. Newman. I have your father's 6139 here. You tell me that he bought this brand new when he was in the service in 69 or 70. This is an early piece. It's June 1969, and it's original and intact. You had written me and said, oh, the lume was completely black, and I thought, honestly, it was going to be worse than this. Now, I'm not going to be able to make that lume, like, perfect or anything, but I should be able to improve the dial lume significantly. Your hand lume is great. Look at the metal on your hands, too. It's really nice. You've got your original two-piece sweep, which is bent. Bent this way. It's curved right here. You said it had a broken crown. Crown is behaving as it should. Your day wheel has gone off. It's bent, but I can correct that. Yeah, you can see that hand is bent, but I bet you when I bend it back that it will drop right here on the mark where it's supposed to be. Your stem and crown are intact. It's not broken. Date 8 quick correct work. You've got some paint loss down here on the tip of this hand. So somebody's been inside it. Let's look and see what we got. I don't think I see any servicing marks. I can tell you your caseback gasket's done for. Yep. Okay, let's see what we got. Movement doesn't look bad. It's got its A movement. Your winding bridge is a little loose, but it's not, I don't see any grinding or hitting on the frame here. Maybe just a hair starting. It has been serviced. Somebody's been in here. That's the wrong screw. That doesn't go there. This is the correct screw. These screws for this winding bridge are weird in that they look like a normal Seiko type size screw that they use in a billion different things, but it's got a smaller shaft, and people tend to lose them because you can use them. You can use the winding bridge screws in the pallet fork bridge, but you can't use the pallet fork bridge screws in the winding bridge. So somebody was in here and had some funk going on. Inside of the case looks fine. Movement ring spring's decent. She's a runner. Lower mainspring arbor port is as worn as anything. You can see this. This is the screw on top of the mainspring arbor. It's like the axle the barrel turns on. You can see that thing moving around. So it's going to need jewels top and bottom, which is not a surprise, and a service, but it looks okay to me. I think your winding bridge is fine. Yeah, so somebody was in here. I'm going to have to clean up somebody else's mess. And they did not sign their work. But it's a nice watch, and I'm glad you still have it. Your case looks great. It's got a few dinks and doinks, but it's got its original brushing on the top with a little bit of wear. Yeah, I can improve that lume. We'll make that look better for you. What a great watch. Cool. All right. Well, I think it's pretty straightforward right now. I'm going to have some extra time in correcting that sweep hand. I'm going to have dial, lume cleaning, movement service, mainspring, arbor jewels, top and bottom. I don't see any corrosion in the case. I mean, I didn't see any. No, I think it should be fine. Okay, let me know what questions you got. I don't see anything dire. Okay, thank you.